well, here. Now I've almost done with the swap. I put the belt guard back on. The personal pace works. The kill wire doesn't. I'm gonna have to basically make a custom kill wire, as I previously stated. But for now, what I've done is, this is the old on-off switch. I've wired this on into the coil, so when I want to shut it off, I just push that button. Otherwise, and I had to zip tie the brake here, this here. Normally where you let go of it, it grounds it. But something else this thing's missing. Well, let's take this off. Now it's a Toro. Now it's a Toro. Just gotta screw this back down. Now I got the cover on. I wired up the old kill button here. It wires into the coil. It will turn off, but because I had to do that, I had to take the blade brake off with a zip tie. When I get some custom brake cable things, I will. This is this is your hang. This is the old one, and when I get the new ones, I'll just shorten this up and then put it in as normal, custom. So I saw them on Amazon and eBay. So here's going to be your start, and I'll show you that it turns off. This is an auto choke. So see, turns off. One thing is that this cover doesn't really fit that well. It probably has something to do with the gas tank from the other mower, but it's on later.